KC Smart was founded in 2000 and is located in Jiangmen City, Guangdong Province. It covers an area of more than 10,000 square meters. It is a high-tech enterprise focusing on providing one-stop intelligent mechanical equipment solutions for customized design, manufacturing, installation and commissioning, and after-sales maintenance for global baked food customers. The product line covers intelligent machinery and equipment for fermentation, baking and cooling, and we can customize entire food production lines. The main products include spiral towers, tunnel furnaces, vertical towers, liquid brushing machines, stripping machines, etc. And we have a number of patents for practical inventions. Our products are exported to Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East and other places, and have won the trust and praise of customers all over the world. Looking ahead, KC Smart will continue to uphold the spirit of innovation, striving to improve product quality and service standards. The company is committed to providing even more intelligent and efficient machinery solutions for global bakery clients.